Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living here on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing 2 different ways to organize a homeschool cart, or a cart to organize different things in your home or for your homeschool. So I recently picked up a cart from Amazon. I will turn the camera around and show you what they look like in a minute here. But it is a cart, a rolling cart with 2 tiers and then a desktop on the top. So I originally picked up one for myself to wrangle some of my planning stuff, my homeschool stuff, some homeschool books that I need to reach for regularly or that I need to read to prep, and like my sticky notes and all of that jazz, which I will show you more when we turn it around. But I also wanted the desktop so that I could have it right next to the couch and put my laptop on it to edit, get up stuff quickly, print off stuff for homeschool. I also have a second channel, which I started before this channel, where I share card making and all of my creativity. So I need to be able to edit that really quick. And with a newborn on the way, when I set this in motion, I needed something that was right there so that I could get the editing done, that I could continue my hobby even though I had a baby, and I needed to balance my laptop. So this desktop is a great solution for this. So I will show you that. But then my second son, my almost 6-year-old, was wanting an art space. He constantly wanted to bring out his watercolor paints or markers, but his sister was always taking the markers and kind of drawing on things that she shouldn't. And they have another little art space in our living room, but it's constantly has melting beads on it and projects that we need to melt. And so he just didn't really have a space where he could create that was his own. My oldest has a desk in his room that is his own, and he's always got projects on there. So we tried to get my 6-year-old, almost 6-year-old, to maybe draw on his brother's desk so that he was away from his sister. And sometimes, like, we have another little table set up that's not the main table that his sister can't get to, but it just wasn't working. He wanted his own little quiet space. So I ended up getting him an art cart, or the same cart, just in black. You'll see mine is white. And we were able to put it into my oldest son's room away from his sister and give him a tabletop, give him space for all of his art, a place where he can put all of his finished artwork. Sometimes he'd end up doing art in his brother's room and it would just end up on the floor and it would get wrecked. So that was not fun. So he was super excited for me to set this art cart up. So this is the same cart in different colors, 2 different ways. So you can definitely organize anything in your home. You just have to get creative and find solutions that work for you. And I will link to these carts on Amazon Canada as well if you want to check them out. But definitely keep watching to see how I organized the same cart in 2 different ways. And these are working out super, super great for our homeschool and our home. I have been able to get so much editing done and just be on the computer when I need to update things or do banking or whatever. It's right there yes. So, and my oldest, and then my son has been able to get out his paints whenever he wants, and they are safe, and he has been so much more creative, and his pictures are safe and sound, and he's putting them away and they're not ending up on the floor. So that is super, super great. So I'm going to turn the camera around now and show you the new organization systems that I have put into our home in the last little while. Here is the art cart that I was talking about. So it has the tabletop, which is awesome. My son can do his art projects up here. And I may go ahead and put like a placemat on top as well, so if he's working with paint, that it doesn't damage the top. But then I got these file folders or book bins from Dollar Tree. These are the colors from this year. around back to school time that they bring these back often and change the colors. So in here we just have some metallic gold paint that we actually picked up recently from Dollarama. He was really excited to get gold paint. And then just some other paint sets. This one he just got for Christmas as well. And back here there's like some little sponges that they can use in painting that came in a little set of something, and then a glue stick, a cup for water, and then some paintbrushes. And then over here, he loves stickers. So we used to have the stickers in the Trofast units in our activity center, but lately my daughter has been getting into them and just like putting them everywhere. And so I wanted to not waste the stickers, but I wanted him to have his own little area for stickers. And then my oldest can also go in here and grab stickers if he wants as well. So yeah, we just have like various stickers, some kitty stickers because my kids love kitties. There is still some Christmas stickers in here, some more kitties, some Paw Patrols, some Blaze. And yeah, we have more stickers that I have stored away, so I will see if he uses these. And then that, and then with that, he has a sticker book that he just kind of puts them into, and he also uses them on his art projects, but this is his little sticker book. So that is just down on the bottom. And then we have this empty one so that once he does a drawing or a picture with the watercolors, then he can go ahead and put it in here. One reason why we talked about making this was because he would draw something in his brother's room, and then because they had the markers in there, and then it would end up on the floor and it would get ripped, and I hadn't even seen it, and he got sad that it got ripped. So this is going to be his place to store his art projects when he's drawing here. He also has a art bin in the Trofast units, which things can go to as well, but that is that. And then on the side here we have the water color pad and marker pad, and I'm also probably going to put in some just like plain paper. And then over here he has a little sketchbook that he can draw in and add stickers to as well. And then on the bottom we have the IKEA paint boxes, and on the inside there is a paintbrush and some little water cups as well. And then I have my oldest's on here as well, just to store it, and he can grab it out since it'll be stored in his room anyways. So if he wants to paint on his bigger desk, he can do that and grab that. And then down here we just have their markers, and it is just in like a melty beads set from the dollar store. They put them into another container, so I am just reusing those. And then the sticker book. So yeah, like we don't like to have markers out around our daughter because she gets really messy with them, draws on herself, draws on everything, and these ones I find don't come off as easily. So they are here. They are going to be in her bed, in my oldest's bedroom, and we're going to see how this goes. I'm excited for my 5-year-old to get crafting and have a space that is for him. He has been asking. I would have got this set up for him sooner, but I actually had to return this. These are really great quality. They seem like really great quality, but just be aware that like check this piece before putting it together, because my piece came damaged at first and like the side was peeling off. And I had gotten one previously, which you're going to see in a second, and it was fine, but I just did a quick return, waited a few days, and ordered another one, and this one came in great condition. And yeah, like I'm excited for this. We're just going to put a chair in front for him, and he's going to get crafting, and he has his own little space. So super excited. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you my cart. All right, so here is my cart that I picked up originally with the tabletop. I got the one in white. And yeah, so this is my editing station, my planning station, my homeschool mom, current books, all the things, my Bibles. I wish it had a little bit more space because, yeah, I have a lot going on. So I'm going to show you what is in the cart and not pull everything out, but just kind of give you a simplified version of what is on here. So on the top, I just tore my laptop and I can sit at the couch and edit and bring it with me around the house where I need to. So that is super awesome. And then down here, these are some older planners. This is like my planner from last year, but it has my hard covers, so I'm keeping those there for now. This is an older planner as well, but it has another hardcover. This is the big Happy Planner and then the classic Happy Planner covers. And then this is a planner that I made that I'm not currently using. And then our menus, my teacher menu, and just some of the menus with the dry erase option for me. And then some stickers. And these are diaper caddies with stickers and sticky notes and all of the goodies. And then over here, I just have my utmost for his highest devotional, and I will turn the cart around a little bit after and show you what is on the other side. There's just some stickers, planner stickers on the other side there. So yes. And then if we come down here, this is some more like an old planner album thing. These are some of my Bibles and my devotionals. And then these are my pencil cases that I got from one of my favorite craft stores. So I have this one full of all my favorite pens and markers, and then this one is empty to expand my pen collection. And I will turn this around. So yeah, as you can see, there is some stickers for my planner, and then I have some of my Bibles back here. So I have like a Bible that I can color in, and then a book that I'm reading or that I want to read, some more sticky notes. This is my Homeschool Mom Bible that is a devotional. And then down here, I just have some little notebooks and a notepad, and you can't really see them, but these are just like different books that I am currently reading or was working through, or just some mom books that I want to go ahead and read, some prayer books. And then I have two of these. I have one on my desk, and then I decided to put one down here because I use sticky notes like all the time to like write little notes down. So I love that that is right on my cart, and this cart just stays right by the table, or right by it becomes a table for me, but it stays right by the couch, and then I wheel it over by my craft area to get it out of the way when it's not in use, and it just wrangles so much, and I was able to get some space back in my craft area as well. So that is awesome. In the mornings I can just grab my Bible and do some art in it in my craft area because everything is super close. And yeah, and I do have a current planner, but that is not on here right now because I was just doing some planning. But yeah, these are the two new carts, and I love them. I will pull them both up here side by side. So here they are side by side. This one is definitely more simple, and we can go ahead and change it up as needed, add more supplies or take away supplies. Mine is doing a lot more, but it is very helpful to have all of the things right where I can reach for them. So yes. Okay, so those are the carts that I have set up in our home to organize two different things, and they're working out great. As I said, I hope this inspired you to organize something in your home. Maybe this sparks some ideas of how you can use a cart like this, or you need a cart to wrangle something. Definitely go check out Amazon. There's so many different carts and organization systems on there that I'm sure can organize anything in your home. So I'll have the carts that I got linked down below from Amazon Canada. But definitely stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join us here as we share homeschool journey and cleaning motivation, home decor, and mom life. Whatever that looks like, I do not know what my posting schedule is going to look like. I have a lot of curriculum videos coming out, and as I prepare for the upcoming school year and we finish off this school year, I have a bunch of videos coming. But I would like to start sharing cleaning motivation and all of that with you as well again. But right now I am trying to find the balance of what I love to do. I love filming and I love inspiring you along the way. But with a newborn, I don't know what that looks like. But definitely hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and you will know when I upload next and you can see what's coming your way as we adjust to being a family of 6. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.